everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes for a loaded potato with brisket. It's one that I've been making for a while and it's one of my favorite things. It incorporates, like all the basic elements and some surprises. I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I did is set my oven to 420 degrees. I'm going to keep my potato in here for about like an hour and 10 minutes, and that's really the time I think I need. Then I decided to wash my potatoes and then wrap it in foil. And I tried to do this on camera, but it did not work out well for me, which gets a big thumbs down. And then I put my potato in the oven, and then I started on my brisket. It's about 4 ounces, and I got it from a grocery store near my house, and then I chopped it up and added it to a pan with half of a green pepper and some mushrooms. The mushrooms were getting pretty red, but this is why I love this recipe, because I just use a bunch of my old food, or things that are about to go bad. And then I added those to the pan along with my brisket. And then I just let that simmer for a little bit while I added my spices. I added a little bit of garlic powder. And then I added some chili powder, I believe, if I remember to show that on camera. Yeah, and a little bit of cumin. And I also added off camera, I added some oregano as well. And there's my chili powder. While I let that simmer, I added about a serving of cheese, and then I took my potato out of the oven. It was really hot, and I almost burned my hands off while I was trying to open it for y'all. And then I like to score it a little. Scoring it, I added my cheese and my filling and some of the rest of the cheese on top. And for a little bit of greens, I added some green onion, which just adds a lot of good flavor. Then I also put my potato back in the oven, and to finish it off, I just added some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and then I topped it with my green onions. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and of course I approve.